Good morning. I'm Timothy John Rasho, and I'm pleased to present our ERP system architecture developed with your organization, Global Computer Solutions, in mind. This solution is called Backbone and Behavior, reflecting two core design priorities: a structurally sound database backbone and automated behavioral components to align with your workflows. Note that the sample data reflected is not a reflection of the whole sample set. All full SQL blocks, including table definitions, views, procedures, and triggers, are available in the zip folder we submitted for technical review. Now, let's begin by examining the database backbone, our table schema. Region. This table organizes employees and customers geographically. It enables localized reporting and segmentation in client and workforce management. Customer details such as contact information and regional ties are maintained here. It forms the basis for client project linkage and billing. Employee table holds staff identity and employment-led data, including regional distribution. This allows us to match employees contextually with projects. The skills definition table catalogs all available skill sets with descriptions and standard hourly rates. It ensures consistent clarification tracking across assignments. The employee skill table is a junction table linking employees to their individual skills. This supports many-to-many relationships for dynamic staffing flexibility. The project table defines client engagements, including scope, budget, duration, and assigned managers. It also serves as the anchor for downstream scheduling and billing. The project schedule breaks down projects into task-level segments, specifying timeframes and skill requirements. It is essential for validating qualified staffing and schedule logic. The assignment table matches employees to scheduled project tasks. It records who's working on what and when, ensuring accountability. The work log table records billable hours for each employee tasks. It builds the foundation for transparent project billing and performance analysis. The project billing table aggregates financial data tied to project work. It finalizes the operational cycle by connecting work entries to actual invoicing records. Now that we've mapped out the backbone of the system, our foundational tables, let's shift focus to what gives this architecture its operational behavior. In real-world enterprise environments like yours, data integrity is not just about structure. It is about ensuring that business logic is consistently applied across the actions and workflows. That is where our stored procedures, views, and triggers come in. These components automate validation, streamline processes, and protect against common human errors, turning passive data storage into an intelligent and responsive system. Let's walk through how these elements work together to enforce quality, improve efficiency, and align directly with your day-to-day operational needs. The first create block defines the project table with strong integrity links to customer and employee. It captures key metrics for project tracking and supports scalable, client-friendly dashboards. Sample data shows constraint and procedure accuracy in Oracle like SQL 23 AI. The second create block captures project task scheduling with keys linking each task to its parent project and required skill. Using composite primary keys and foreign constraints, we ensure tight control over task allocation. This stored procedure inserts validated employee records into the system, capturing full name components, hire dates, and regional assignments. To streamline project visibility, we created the project overview. It consolidates data from the customer, project, and project manager into one operational snapshot. This enables management to quickly assess project portfolios, monitor responsibility distribution, and support reporting dashboards. It's particularly valuable for executive oversight and client communication. This view, called Employee Skills Matrix, aligns employees with their certified skills and associated rates. By consolidating relational data, it allows rapid identification of qualified personnel for open tasks or urgent deployments. It improves staffing decisions while preserving cost efficiency. For planning teams, it is a powerful lookup tool that translates technical data into strategic insights. One of our automation features is a procedure that verifies employee qualification before task assignment. If the selected employee lacks the necessary skill, the system triggers a controlled error message and blocks the assignment. This prevents scheduling mismatches and reinforces your quality assurance protocols. It also minimizes the risk of human error during rapid staffing. This procedure ensures accurate time tracking by validating work entries against existing assignments. It blocks unauthorized or orphan entries, ensuring all build time is tied to a legitimate task. This improves billing credibility and gives finance teams a clean, auditable source of labeled data. Combined with the assignment logic, it supports end-to-end integrity from staffing to invoicing. Finally, we implemented the trigger to protect scheduling accuracy. It ensures that employment assignments fall strictly within the task's planned timeframe. Any misaligned dates raise an ORA-0002 error and halt the entry. This feature safeguards your project calendars and helps maintain operational discipline, especially during scale or overlap situations. What we've built for Global Computer Solutions is a modular yet comprehensive ERP framework. Each element, from table structure to automation logic, was designed with scalability, accuracy, and real-world alignment in mind. We are confident this architecture can support your team across planning, delivery, and invoicing workflows. Thank you for the opportunity, and I welcome your feedback or questions.